Hello everyone! Welcome back to Bullet Journaling with Eve. Today I am sharing my last two spreads of 2024, which are my weekly setups. I will also include some tips and tricks for covering up mistakes so seamlessly that no one will even know they were there. Let's jump right in, starting with the materials. For this setup, I am using my bullet journal from Notebook Therapy, which you are already familiar with. I will also be using an Ohuhu acrylic marker in gold, Ohuhu alcohol markers in R8 and BG1, and a Blumad acrylic paint marker in white. I will also use this SIPA calligraphic pen SB56, a roller, an eraser, and a pencil. Additionally, I will use washi tape to mask areas I don't want to color. If you want a clean and crisp edge, you can cover the part that you don't want to color with your washi tape and just take it off when you are done coloring. Before starting, I want to show you a weekly spread I created earlier but didn't film. I made two different versions of this spread. In one version, the Grateful For is part of the colored section, and in the other one, it's done just with gold lettering. Now, let me show you a simple way to draw a Christmas or pine tree. Take your brush marker and draw lines starting from a single point, spreading out in circular or semicircular pattern. Then add a second layer on the top of the first one and you will have this simple pine tree that you can also use as a Christmas tree. And then you can add additional details if you like. As you can see here, I am just making it a little bit taller. After finishing the tree, I took my R8 red marker and removed the washi tape. Then I put the washi tape on the second page and also drew 3 pine trees on this part as well. I then took the SB56 to draw the trunk. With the same marker, I divided my page into 5 horizontal rows and 2 vertical columns for the days of the week. With the red marker, I added lines for the titles, and using the gold acrylic marker, I wrote the names of the days. To finish, I decorated the spread with stars and dots. After that, I added the dates and my spread is done. As you can see here, I have this part where I made some mistakes while decorating, so I took my marker and softly drew over them to correct them. You would never know there was a mistake here before. Moving on the second spread. I first want to share with you how I designed it. I divided the page into 8 equal squares with extra space at the bottom to write down what I am grateful for each day. Although there are still 9 days left before January, I wanted this spread to have equal parts, so that's why I divided it into 8 equal parts. Then I colored everything in, and this will represent my train, and the train is going to be red. As you can see, my marker is running out, and this isn't really surprising because I used it a lot. Still, even as it started to run low here on the first page, I'm really grateful that I still managed to complete the whole design with it. Next, using the gold marker, I outlined the train windows and then I tried to cover the small errors. You can see some red color where it shouldn't be, so I took the Ohuhu acrylic marker in gold and I placed dots around the windows that helped me cover these little red stray marks. And this also looks really nice, resembling Christmas lights around the window. This detail not only hides mistakes but also enhances the overall look. I'm really pleased with how it turned out, and I think it looks even better like this. At the bottom of the spread, I will write what I am grateful for each day for those 8 days. I will also separate this into 8 equal parts. Now I will write down titles for each day, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and the rest of the days on the second part. Let's look back and review what we have created together. First, we have this weekly spread with space for daily tasks and place to write down what I am grateful for each day. We also have these wonderful decorations along the borders of the page and this wonderful gold shimmer. I really like how this spread turned out, and as you can see, it was easy to create. The second spread spans 8 days, starting on Monday and ending with Monday, with a lot of space for tasks and space to write down what I am grateful for each day. And I really like this shimmer from this gold Ohuhu acrylic marker. And the last day of December could be on the next page. And this is it. This is the last spread for 2024, marking the end of this bullet journal. This bullet journal holds so many memories. A lot of creative things that we tried together, and even themes that you have helped me choose. It's time to say goodbye to this bullet journal, and I'm incredibly grateful for this bullet journal. I would like to hear from you. What were your favorite spreads? What are your plans for next year? Leave a comment and let me know. Wishing you all a wonderful day. If you are celebrating Christmas, Merry or Happy Christmas and Happy Holidays. So, just one more look at this wonderful bullet journal and that's it. I will see you in the next video. Bye!